How to add McDonald's gift card to app. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, you need to launch your McDonald's application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. Once you are in your McDonald's app, to add a gift card, firstly you need to place an order. For it, you can check out the menu of McDonald's or even check out special deals and orders from McDonald's. Select on the food menu that you want to place and also the quantity of it. You can easily edit your order if you want to. Once you have briefly reviewed your order, now to place it, just select on Choose Payment. In there, you will find various of payment options that you can choose from. You can select the debit or credit card or PayPal or Venmo, depending on the region and the payment method that is popular for your region. Once you have selected your payment method, at the end, that is the checkout portion, you may find the button for Add Gift Card or Add Promo Code. Just enter the 16-digit gift card that is at the back of the gift card or the promo code that you received from any of the website or McDonald's itself. Just paste on the code, and by that way you'll be able to see substantial discount in your grand total as well. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.